Hello everyone, myself Nivedita Bose from Easy Electrical, your GS faculty for Rapid Revision series. Today is 5th of October 2021. Today we will deal with the subject environment, ecology and computer. Before that, I would like to give you a brief introduction about our paid course SSC JEE 2021, which includes concept-based classes on technical and non-technical portion, plus practice problems, month-wise test and notes. What we specialize in is that we provide you with classroom recordings free for lifetime, which is otherwise chargeable in other institutions. Now coming to today's topic. Here the first question is, the Great Smog of 1952 took place in which of the following cities? Options are London, Tokyo, New York, Berlin. Here the correct option is London. It is also known as killer fog. Now coming to next question. The red list of IUCN provides the list of GM plants, that is genetically modified plants, dangerous plant species, threatened species and dangerous animal species. So please pause your video and then see the answer. Try yourself. Here the correct option is threatened species. IUCN is a organization founded in 1964. It is evaluating the conservation status of plant and animal species which are threatened. Now coming to next question. Which of the following is considered as the secondary pollutant? Friends, you have to know first that what is primary pollutants and what is secondary pollutants. The primary pollutants are where the pollutants directly emitted from the sources, and the secondary pollutants are where the pollutants not direct emitted from the source. Here the correct option is ozone, and the others are primary pollutants. Now coming to next question. Which of the following was the India's first biosphere reserve? Here the options are Sundarban Biosphere Reserve, Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve, Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve and Panchmari Biosphere Reserve. Please pause your video and think yourself. Here the correct option is Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. Now coming to the next question. Sorry, here is a mistake. It is Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. It is spread over Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. Wait for. It is Tamil Nadu, Now coming to the next question. The highest BOD, that is biological oxygen demand, can be expected in a running water, a running polluted river, treated municipal waste river, and the untreated municipal waste river. Here it is very obvious that the maximum biod is expected from untreated municipal waste river, that is maximum, and minimum expected from a running river. Now coming to the next question. 1 terabyte equals to how much GB? Is a very common question. That is 1028 GB, 1012 GB, 1000 GB, and 1024 GB. Here the correct options is 1024 GB. Now coming to the next question. RAM is which storage of device? The options are primary, secondary, tertiary, none of the above. This is a primary storage device. Now coming to the next question. Which one is the volatile memory in a computer system? That is hard disk, RAM, ROM, optical drive. Here the correct options is RAM. Now coming to the next question. Who invented WWW, World Wide Web? It is also asked frequently in SSC. The options are Tim Berners-Lee, Sir Thomas, Charles Babbage, and none of the above. Friends, please pause your video and try yourself, then check the answers. The correct options is Tim Berners-Lee. Now coming to the today's last question, that is, what is used to make computer chips? It is also very frequently asked in SSC. You must try yourself, then see the answers. That is copper, steel, silicon, and iron. You know, friends, the obvious answer is silicon. That is a semiconductor. So in case of computer chips, silicon, germanium types of semiconductors are used. This is for today. Thank you everyone for staying up to this point. If you have any doubts, send us message at 833-506-7725 and mail us at electricaleasy@gmail.com. Thank you.